Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I hope you must have understood chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Now, in this session, we are going to have a small revision. Comparing numbers. Given two numbers, one with more digits is the greater number. If the number of digits in two given numbers is the same, that number is larger, which has a greater leftmost digit. Children, some examples are given: 568 and 7890. Now 568 is 3-digit number and 7890 is 4-digit number. So 568 is less than 7890. Next. Now children, tell which is greater, 4875 or 4542. Here the numbers have the same number of digits. Further, the digits at the thousands place are same in both, that is 4. What do we do then? We move to the next digit, that is to the digit at the hundreds place. The digit at the hundreds place is greater in 4875 than in 4542. Therefore, 4875 is greater than 4542. Next, 12369 and 12349. Again, you are going to do the comparison. 10,000s place, that is 1 and 1 both are same. Thousands, 2 and 2 are same. Hundreds, 3 and 3 are same. Tens, 6 and 4. So we can say 12,369 is greater than 12,349. Expansion and number name. Now children, the number is given 526756. Now you have to first write in expansion form. So 5 is in lakhs place. So 5 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 2 is in 10,000s place. So 2 multiplied by 10,000. 6 is in thousands place. So 6 multiplied by 1000 plus 7 in hundreds place. So 7 multiplied by 100 plus 5 in tens place. So 5 multiplied by 10 and 6 in ones place. So 6 multiplied by 1. Now number name, that is 5,26,756. Now children, you have to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. The condition is digit 1 is always at thousands place. Children, you have to remember that one number is going to be at thousands place. So greatest number which is formed, that is 1987, and smallest number which is going to be formed 1023. Ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Example: 5465, 7668, 2138, 264. Now solution. First you have to write the smallest number, that is 264. Then 2138. After that 5465 and 7668. Descending order. Descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Example, 4485, then 5948, 746 and 787. Now here you have to write the greatest number first. So solution, 5948, then 4485, then 787, 746. Use of commas. Use of commas helps in reading and writing large numbers. Indian system of numeration. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs and crores. In the Indian system of numeration, we have commas after 3 digits, starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. The commas after 3, 5 and 7 digits separate thousands, lakh and crore respectively. Example, 44838 The first comma comes after hundreds place, that is 3 digits from the right. The second comma comes 2 digits later, 5 digits from the right. And the third comma comes after another 2 digits. So the number is 4,48,38,756. International system of numeration. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and then millions. In the international system of numeration, commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Children, you can see the number is given 44838,756. After every 3 digits from the right, you have to put comma. So we can read it as 44,838,756. Example, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system and international system of numeration. Children, you can see the number is given 50801592. Answer. First you have to insert commas. So in the Indian system of numeration, we have commas after 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. We can read it as 5,08,01,592. Now in the international system of numeration, commas are placed after every 3 digits starting from the right. And we can read it as 50,801,592. Large numbers in practice. Now large numbers are needed in many places in daily life. Remember, kilo shows 1000 times larger, centi shows 100 times smaller and milli shows 1000 times smaller. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters or 1000 millimeters. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Example, population of Sundarnagar was 3,35,781 in the year 1991. In the year 2001, it was found to be increased by 76,960. What was the population of the city in 2001? So children, here you have to find the population of the city. Solution. So population of the city in 2001 is equal to, what you have to do? Population of the city in 1991 plus increase in population, that is 3,35,781 plus 76,960, and if you will do the addition, you will get the answer as 4,12,741. So population of the city in 2001 was 4,12,741. Next example. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? So here you have to find the total pages printed every day. Solution. Children, you can see each copy has how many pages? 12 pages. So 11,980 copies will have 12 multiplied by 11,980 pages. That is 11,980 multiplied by 12. And you will get the answer as 1,43,760. So every day 1,43,760 pages are printed. Estimation. In number of situations, we have to estimate the outcome of number operations. This is done by rounding off the numbers involved and getting a quick rough answer. Estimating or rounding off to the nearest tens. Children, you have to remember the rules. First, look at the digit at one's place. If it is less than 5, we replace it by 0. If one's digit is 5 or more than 5, increase tens digit by 1 and replace one's digit by 0. Some examples are given. 344. Now children, in one's digit 4 is there. So 4 is less than 5. So tens digit as it is you have to write and one's digit you have to put 0. So estimation is going to be 340. 378. Here one's digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So tens digit you have to add 1 and one's digit you have to put 0. So 380 is the answer. 1457. 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 in tens place. So 1460 is the answer. Estimating or rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Children, first you have to look at the digit at tens place. If it is less than 5, replace each of tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. If tens digit is 5 or more than 5, increase hundreds digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Some examples are given. 32,879. Now children, you can see tens digit we are having 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 in hundreds place. And in tens and ones digit you have to put 0. So the answer is going to be 32,900. Next, 2546. Here in tens digit 4 is there. So 4 is less than 5. So the answer is going to be 2500. Next, 9890. Here in tens digit 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 in hundreds place. So 9900 is the answer. Estimating or rounding off to the nearest thousands. Now children, look at the digit at hundreds place. If it is less than 5, replace each of hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. If hundreds digit is 5 or more than 5, increase thousands digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Some examples. 27,634. Now hundreds digit, that is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 in thousands place. So answer is 28,000. 2873. Here 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 in thousands place and other digits you have to put 0. 3000 is the answer. 65,437. Here 4 is less than 5. So answer is 65,000. Some examples. 1. Estimate 5,290 plus 17,986. Now 17,986 is rounded off to 18,000. 5,290 is rounded off to 5,000. So estimated sum is 18,000 plus 5,000, that is 23,000. 2. Estimate 3,241 multiplied by 29. 3,241 is rounded off to 3,000 and 29 is rounded off to 30. So estimated product is 3,000 multiplied by 30, that is 90,000. Expanding brackets. Use of brackets allows us to avoid confusion in the problems where we need to carry out more than one number operation. A multiply B plus C in bracket is equal to A multiplied by B in bracket plus A multiplied by C in bracket. Example. 7 multiplied by 109 is equal to 7 multiplied by 109 we can write as 100 plus 9 and in bracket is equal to first 7 multiplied by 100 in bracket plus 7 multiplied by 9 in bracket is equal to 700 plus 63. That is going to be 763. Roman numerals. We can see the use of Roman numerals in clocks. It is also used for classes in the school timetable, etc. All Roman numerals are formed by writing the 7 letters I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I means 1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. Write in Roman numerals. Now 69 is given, you have to write in Roman numerals. 69 is equal to 60 plus 9. We can write it as 60 plus 9 is equal to, now 60 we can write it as 50 plus 10 in bracket plus 9. Now what is 50? L and 10 X. So Lx plus 9 we can write as Ix is equal to Lxix. I hope students you have understood the chapter. Take care. Thank you.